Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to measure the pH. You're going to need your Taylor test kit and you're going to need the R0014 solution, and there are the instructions as well, and just some water from your tap. You're going to put the water in the side that says pH up to the middle line right there. I'm pointing to it. So you're going to put the water in there and make sure it's right on the line. There, I'm dumping it out because it wasn't just on the line. Okay. And you can put 5 drops of the solution into the water and close the cap and shake it up. And then you should see what color it turns. Shake it all the way upside down. You can see the water from my tap is about 7.2.